Good morning. And it's a nice one out here today. Another weekend's gone by. Kale's getting so much bigger. Didn't record as much this weekend. I don't. It's hard to get into a swing of just, recording and stuff. And like, when something funny happens, of course I don't have the camera on because it's just, it's weird for me to always be recording everything. I was telling Kale bye this morning and he got to smiling. He's not really giggling yet. He's still kind of only got a couple noises he makes. They're just kind of squeals and cries. So, but it was cute. He got to smiling, which is really fun. At some point I got to go over to the house that we're trying to sell, and I'm still having flea issues. It's been a week. 2 rounds of flea bombs. I've bombed it. It doesn't seem to kill them. I don't know if something's in the crawl space. I got some commercial grade flea killer Saturday night. Got it from Daniel. Put it down yesterday and then bought some more flea bombs and put them in the crawl space. I'm hoping that they worked. I don't know if the cans can be sprayed when they're on their side, because all I could really do is shake them up, set them off, and toss them under there. Almost home. Had to stop and get some fuel, and when I get home, got to do some yard work. As much as I'd like to just sit around and not do anything, I have to adult. I don't really have much of a yard. I have more of weeds and dirt. I don't have hardly any grass, but I got a bunch of weeds growing up in my driveway, and I'd like to not have to deal with that. And what you would consider a flower bed I have is covered in weeds as well.
We wanted to run, we wanted to fall together. Back then our world seemed so clear. We grew so bright, shimmering lights around us. We'd take flight into the sky. How many?
I ran out of spray. Gotta go mix some more up.
Worlds would you cross to use the light that's right in front of you? There is no light on the other side. I say, look straight ahead and you will see.
And if it seems weird that I'm spraying killer in my flower bed, my builders didn't put any kind of landscaping fabric or plastic down. I bet I've weeded this bed since we've been in this house 10 times for every bit of 30 hours of weeding, and it still looks like this. This is the good-looking side. This is the bad side.
You will see. How many worlds would you cross to use the light that's right in front of you? There is no light on the other side. I say, look straight ahead.
The sad part is right now, I'm to the point where I don't know what weeds are and what are actually supposed to be there. It's just a little jungle.
Hey, sometimes we just want to rock.
Different kind of rock. I mean, he is rocking the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. He's rocking it like a champ. Yeah, hardcore. He's hardcore twinkling. Hardcore twinkling.
The velcro.
Oh my goodness.
It hurts so bad.
That's for Velcro, that's pretty intense.
Yeah,
Very
I
circus-like.
Yeah, it's very good.
Circus-like. Intense.
Yeah. So made sure.
As soon as it cools off a little bit more, I'm gonna hose that table off because it had ants on it from the dog bowl. And I'll clean that dog bowl out, and then that's the one that was inside, wasn't it? Yeah. Okay, I'll clean that dog bowl out, and then I will put the thing up.
Okay.
We're still rocking over here.
Oh, good. Rocky Brown.
I saw her, and she just bolted across the yard. There she goes again.
Party.
Jungle dog. I would say she's hiding in the tall grass out there, but there's not grass. Kayla and I have showered. Time to cook dinner for me and Tanya. He's in there eating dinner right now. Homemade cheesy jambalaya with homegrown, farm raised, made here in Dewey sausage. Amazing. Actually, it's not. It's Hillshire Farm in Zatarain. Another thing about parenting that they don't tell you, you don't have the luxury of just cooking dinner. You have to do laundry at the dinner table.